What's up, Sparkhouse? My name is Julia McClellan and you're watching the Sparkhouse Weekly. This week at Sparkhouse, I am pumped because I get the honor of sharing with you our next T.B.D. curriculum topic. The crowd goes wild in 3, 2, 1. I love editing because I just stood here in silence and you heard the crowd go wild. You may have seen last week that we were doing a giveaway for whoever could guess the next topic for our T.B.D. curriculum. There was one person who guessed the topic. Can I get a drum roll, please? Tracy! Tracy is our winner because she guessed the topic, which is, another drum roll, please. Mission! The next topic of T.B.D. is mission, and I am super excited. You might have seen it on social this past week, but the next topic is mission. The topic of mission will be available for pre-order on October 1st, so be on the lookout for that. But if you want T.B.D. curriculum now, the topics of prayer and sin are out. You can get them. That leads us to the promo of the week, which is still our fall youth promo code, which is 30% off all youth curriculum. So go get the T.B.D. units of sin and prayer and be on the lookout for mission because it's coming soon. It's time for this week's highlight. I wanted to highlight to you guys today one of our awesome free resources, which is media kits. So I brought in my colleague Elissa, who is an expert on media kits, to share with you what those are.
Hi, I'm Elissa with Sparkhouse. If you'd like some help promoting the resources that you're using from us, we've got some great media kit options for you. We have a media kit for every single brand, whether it's early childhood, children, youth, or adult. You can go to our website and download the specific brand for the curriculum that you're using. When you download your kit, every kit comes with an instructional page. This is the page for our new adult resource, Dialogues on the Refugee Crisis. It's going to start by telling you what's included in your resource kit. Then we always include some messaging that you can use. There's 2 or 3 options. You can copy and paste them directly into your social media or your website or your own newsletter, or you can just take ideas from them as you would like. And then down below, there's some information about the copyright that we would like you to include on your website. Every media kit is going to include this sheet as well as a poster for you to promote your program, some social media images that you can use on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, as well as some brand-specific content like character images of Frolic or Martin Luther from Collaborate, things like that, or Squiggles from Spark. So every kit comes with its own posters. If you have a Frolic Nursery, you can download this Frolic Nursery poster, and it'll always have plenty of space for you to fill in information specific to your program. Or if you're doing World Sunday School, you can have a great poster with the world characters. So there is a kit available for every single brand, and we hope you enjoy using them.
Thanks to Elissa for sharing about the media kits. Go check those out now, whatever brand you have, go get them. All right, I think that's a wrap for us this week. Go outside, enjoy the fall weather. It is beautiful outside. Hope you guys have an awesome week. Thanks for watching the Sparkhouse Weekly.